guys, welcome to Run Deals. So here I have a weekend bag in beige. Now it does come in several different colors, but this one is brown and beige. I'm gonna open this and show you guys one of the features that I like the most about this bag is it has a shoe compartment on the bottom. So that is really cool. So let's take a look at this bag. So here is the shoulder strap that you can attach to the bag. All right, here is the bottom. Yep, the bottom of the bag. So let's get this opened up here. Okay, so here you can see that this will go around and close just like this, so you don't have to worry about it coming open when you're carrying it or traveling, or if you're gonna throw it in a car, that'll hold the straps together. So that's kind of nice. All right, we have an outside pocket here, which is nice to put little things in that you need to get to quickly, especially if you're like traveling on a plane, need your phone, passport, things like that. There's an outside pocket. Let's take a look inside. So there's Velcro. This is a really secure bag. I like this. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. All right, so it's nice and big on the inside. And again, there's more pockets. So there's pockets here. There's a zipper pocket here on the inside, and then on the other side there's some more little pockets. There was a pocket on the end here. That is a really nice big deep pocket. And then the feature that I think is the coolest, I'm gonna zip this up here, is on the bottom. So let's Velcro this puppy back up shut here. All right, so on the bottom there's actually a shoe storage. So I'm gonna turn this around as soon as I get it unzipped and show you guys, but this is so cool. I don't know about you, but I travel with at least 2 pairs of shoes, sometimes more. So hopefully you guys can see this. Here, I'll tilt this down a little more so you can see. So the bottom of the bag zips open and you can lay your shoes flat in here and then put the bag back, zipper up, and you still have plenty of room inside the bag, because look how big this is, you guys. This is a gigantic weekend bag. This is so cool. I love this bag. This is gonna be great for traveling and seeing friends and family. This is just a great, great bag. So again, you have a handle here, and then you can attach the shoulder straps here if you wanna carry it that way. You just clip them on here. Really easy. This